Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about 40 word opposites with pictures. Loud, quiet, open, close, straight, curly, cold, hot, alone, together, strong, weak, front, back, big, small, left, right, black, white, happy, sad, fat, skinny, fast, slow, break, fix, tall, short, stand, sit, young, old, laugh, cry, cold, hot, soft, hard, afraid, brave, difficult, easy, asleep, awake, low, high, push, pull, dry, wet, beautiful, ugly, bad, good, give, take, clean, dirty, behind, in front, on, under, ancient, modern, near, far, above, below, on, off, light, dark, outside, inside. If you like our video, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.